guest today on Ask a Real Travel Experts is Roy Suthons, travel advisor with Cruise Holidays of Lawrence Park of Ontario. Roy currently makes his home in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Hi, Roy. Welcome to Ask a Real Travel Expert.
Hello, Ken. I'm thrilled to be here.
Oh, great. So, Roy, this is Ask a Real Travel Expert. And one of the burning questions we got this week from our viewers and podcast listeners is, should I book a cruise in 2022?
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
I've got 3 lined up at the moment, and I'm hoping to get at least 1 more in. Cruise sales are very, very strong for 2022 and beyond. And I would book early just to make sure that you get the best selection that's available, because when it's selling hot, you don't want to be stuck in that stateroom over the show lounge or something like that. Of course, it's important to keep following the public health guidelines. Please get vaccinated. Cruising unvaccinated, if you're even going to be able to do it, is not a smart thing. Traveling unvaccinated is not a smart thing. But I think so. And I think you should definitely plan it in advance and go and enjoy it.
Okay. Well, that's great advice, and I'm sure our viewers will take that into consideration. One of the things, if they're booking for 2022, to do it sooner rather than later, because things are starting to book up, right?
They are. One of the cruise lines has a 180-day world cruise for 2023, and the lowest price cabin is $41,000 per person, and that entire cruise sold in less than 24 hours. So the demand is there.
Wow. Well, Roy, great advice. How do people get in touch with you if they're looking to book a cruise?
Well, the best way to get a hold of me is by email, roy@lawrenceparkcruises.com. And my 2 cell phone numbers, my Winnipeg local number and my Toronto local number, are there. And you can follow me on Facebook at Cruise Travel Dreams Come True, or just do a search for Roy Suthons Travel Consultant.
Perfect. All right. Well, once again, Roy, it's been wonderful, very informative. And here's a wish for you for smooth sailing on all your future cruises. And we hope to see you on a Lido deck real soon.
I like that. Let's do it.
All right. Take care, Roy.
Cheers.
And that about wraps things up for today, folks. Very special thanks to my guest, Roy Suthons of Cruise Holidays of Lawrence Park. I'm going to leave his contact information and links to his Facebook page in the description if you'd like to reach Roy. But if you'd like to reach us, just leave a comment, send us an email to questions@realtravelexperts.com, or visit our website, realtravelexperts.com. We always respond, and we'd love to hear from you. And as always, folks, if you enjoyed this video, a like, a subscribe, and a ring of the bell is always appreciated and helps us spread the word. So until next time, happy travels.